Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. To take a screenshot on a desktop or laptop, simply press Windows plus print screen together. For demonstration purpose, I take a screenshot of the Edge browser. Press Windows plus print screen together. The screenshot has taken. Now, to find the location of a screenshot, open the File Explorer. Click on Pictures and Screenshot folder. Screenshot is saved here. If you want to use the Snipping tool, first you need to enable the Print Screen key to open screen capture. For this purpose, go to Settings. Open Accessibility tab and choose Keyboard. As you can see, I have already on this function. So press Print Screen key and Snipping tool will open. From this you can take screen capture as you want. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment below and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.